Hi everyone! So today I'm going to tell you the names of my baby chicks. They're almost 5 weeks old. Alright, let's see. Okay, so okay. This one, get over here. Come here. This one, okay. I can't even grab them. Okay, so I have my Buff Orpington with the purple tag. And her name is Aurora. Hi, Aurora. She's a good girl. Hi. Okay, next I have another Buff Orpington. Okay. Okay. Aurora, go. Oh, go. Okay, this is Butters. She has the yellow tag. Hi, Butters. Hey, girl. Hi. She used to be afraid of me, but now she's really sweet and she comes to me. Oh, Butters. You warmed up to me. Okay, Aurora, we already did you. Alright, girls. Okay, let's see. Okay, come here. Ow! Oh! You're mean! You're pecking my moles. The little block. Ugh. Alright, next we have Dumpling. She has the green tag. Dumpling. Hey, girl. Oh, there she goes. And then one more gold one, or Buff Orpington. She has the red tag, and her name is Goldie. Goldie. She's really sweet. She always comes up to me, and she likes to cuddle. Hi, Goldie. Okay, that's my Buff Orpingtons. And now here's my rooster. He's the green tag. He's a Barred Plymouth Rock. And his name is Voltron. My husband named him, so. Voltron! Hi! Hi, boy! His comb is starting to turn a little red. Alright, next I have another Barred Rock. She's a girl. She has the purple tag. Her name is Churro. Churro! Churro! Come here, girl. She likes to bite my moles. Yeah. And now we have another Barred Rock with the yellow tag. Come here, girl. And this is Noodle. Noodle. Hi, Noodle. Hey, girl. Oh. Hi, Noodle. Alright, you wanna... Oh, she's being good. And then last I have another Barred Rock. And she has a red tag. And I named her Penguin. Penguin. When she was a baby, she kind of reminded me of a penguin. So now she's Penguin. Hi, Penguin. Alright, and that is all 8 of my birds. And the 4 Buff Orpingtons, I call them my golden girls. Hi, golden girls. here's my rooster. Hi, boy. Look at you. Look at your comb and your wattles are coming in. Show me your comb. Oh, hi. Hi, boy. All right, that's it.